speaking on camera every day until I am fluent and confident English speaker. Actually, I'm gonna start a video series where I'll keep posting a video recording myself speaking in English at least for 5 minutes. Then you will ask why I'm going to do this. Actually, I wanna accomplish something. I wanna achieve something. Really, that is, I have decided to achieve 3 things, means 3 goals I wanna achieve by doing it. But before talking about the goals, I wanna let you one thing. That is, I am gonna keep this video, means video which will comes under this series, and the name of series is speaking on camera every day until I am fluent and confident English speaker. That's what the name of series is gonna be. And each and every video I'll make for this series gonna be natural and spontaneous. Means I have uploaded so many videos on my YouTube channel. Those are prepared, means first I prepared a script, okay, and I also practiced before recording, then I recorded, and while recording I fumble, I trip over my words. Sometimes I'm not able to record, I'm not able to recall whatever I wanna say. So that time I take retake, I re-recorded myself. But these videos gonna be completely spontaneous, natural and raw, okay. Means if I fumble while speaking, while talking to you, while talking on camera, I will not trim it, I will not remove it. If I am taking time, even though, for example, if I want to say something and I forget, I am not able to recall it, and I will think like this, I will keep that part as well, because I want to keep it complete natural. Actually, you will see my real me, okay. I will be my real me, and you will see my real English, that how my English is in for real, okay. So I'm gonna keep everything natural. I will not use cuts in my videos. I will try to keep it as possible as natural, okay. But I need your help, I really need your help, because means how is the idea, means keeping everything natural, even though if I make mistake, if I think, if I stay silent, I'm not able to recall whatever I'm gonna say. Is it a good idea to keep everything as it is, or should I remove it? If I make mistake while speaking, I should remove it. If I am silent, I am not able to recall what I am gonna say, I should remove it. Now you let me know in the comment box whether I should keep it natural or edited, means as I said, the unnecessary part and mistake and like pause, I should remove it out. Please let me know in the comment box, because your feedback, and you are the one, you are my friend who helped me to figure out whether that raw video is good for you or the edited one is good for you. So the better, means the type of video you will find better, that's what videos I will make, okay. So I request you to write in comment that what type of video you will be able to relate to, whether it is edited or the natural videos. Now let's talk about the goal, that what I want to achieve. First thing is that I want to become a fluent and confident English speaker. If you are a beginner and you are a newbie, you might be thinking I am fluent and confident, but I'm not. I never consider myself a fluent English speaker and confident English speaker, okay. That's why I'm doing it, okay. That's why I want to face camera more and more, okay. I want to talk on camera more and more, so that I can build, so that I can develop my fluency. I can take my fluency from here to here, and I can also take my confidence from here to here, means always keep enhancing, okay. And second goal is I want to track my progress, means if I keep it doing for 5 months, 6 months, even a year, then I'll be able to notice some changes, okay, that how much progress I have made so far, and what are the areas need to be improved, right. And third reason is to help you out. Let me tell you, if you keep watching my video, okay, you might be able to relate to my journey, because I'm going to keep it completely natural. And if you are from if you are from anywhere, irrespective of your location, your place, whether you are from village, city, and you want to learn English but you feel discouraged, demotivated because you are not making improvement, might my videos, okay, my videos will be really great thing for you. Means it can guide you that what are the things I do, how do I learn English staying at village without anyone's support. Really, I have nobody here who can assist me to practice English. I completely rely on AI such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Sisme. That's what I use to practice English with. There is nobody who can help me. Okay? So might you can take little bit of inspiration or ideas from my videos. And I request you to join me. Really, I request you to join me by subscribing to my channel, by liking this video, and I also highly request you, strongly request you that start making videos. Okay, if you are a learner, start making videos, because I have been doing it for last few months. The progress I have made, it is really significant. Okay, if you go and check out my earlier videos, you will find a completely different guy, but I kept it continue, and whatever I can speak right now, it is just because of my YouTube journey. Okay, I kept continue, and now I can speak little bit whatever I can, right? It's just because of that thing. I kept things continue, and it has really changed me. It helped me a lot to boost my confidence and fluency. That's why I have made up my mind to keep it continue. So that's what all about this series I'm going to start, and about this video, that why I'm going to start, how my video is gonna be, and how crucial it could be for you to watch and to track, and what are my purposes. Okay, I have told you everything, and at the end again I will tell you, please let me know in the comment box whether I should keep it completely natural or I should edit it. Okay, means mistakes, means the part where I make mistake or I stay silent, should I remove it or I should keep it as it is. Please let me know in the comment box. And at the end, what you need to do, you need to subscribe to my channel and like the video and start making videos. Really, I love watching your progress, and you should also love watching my progress. That's why you can contribute me, you can contribute in my progress by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. So just do that.